This Chinese humanoid robot has already started to work in factories, both domestically and abroad, for businesses that produce electric vehicles. Robots are being actively incorporated into manufacturing lines by companies such as NIO and Volkswagen. UB Tech Robotics created the Walker S robotic humanoids to help with quality control duties like checking headlights, seat belts, and door locks, and affixing logos to cars. Walker S has 36 high-performance servo motors that enable precise and flexible movement. In addition, it has a variety of sensors for processing visual and oral data and perceiving the surroundings, allowing for object detection. Using the USLAM system, the robot can explore complicated areas on its own. It can detect faces, objects and scenes, plan routes, and avoid obstacles. Robots have the potential to increase efficiency in electric vehicle production lines, according to UB Tech Robotics. According to the company's website, human and robot coexistence is essential to humanity's future. Construction workers are replaced with robots designed and built by the company Derutu. These mechanical workers are already refining flooring, placing tiles, and sanding walls. The engineers strive for total automation while maintaining end users' simplicity of use. The floor finishing robot, for instance, autonomously applies every layer, from the first primer to the last epoxy coating, after carefully planning its path. The robots use a wide variety of sensors and radars to assist them navigate their surroundings. It's incredible how quickly the business is developing. Plaster application, for example, can be sped up to 8 meters in 50 seconds, resulting in a 70% reduction in labor intensity and a 200% increase in efficiency. When artificial intelligence is incorporated, robots will only need to be assigned a mission. Otherwise, they will manage everything on their own without human oversight. Since it has the potential to someday replace a sizable percentage of construction workers, it is an incredibly exciting idea that both impresses and raises concerns. By 2029, the American startup Figure AI hopes to have 100,000 humanoid robots on the market. The business is creating Figure 01, one of the most sophisticated humanoid robots in the world, for use in manufacturing, retail, and logistics. Figure 01 is 170 centimeters tall, 60 kilograms in weight, and capable of lifting up to 20 kilograms of weight. With just one battery charge, it can move at a pace of 1.2 meters per second and run on its own for up to 5 hours. BMW and Figure AI formed a partnership deal at the beginning of 2024. Within the following 12 to 24 months, BMW's new factory in Spartanburg, South Carolina, is anticipated to include the company's robots into its production operations. In order to provide a certification procedure for robotic systems that is applicable to the entire industry, Figure AI is also creating the Center for Humanoid Robot Safety Enhancement. Figure AI raised $675 million in funding in February 2024, valuing the business at $2 billion. A robot created by engineers at Azure Printed Homes can use recyclable plastic to 3D print residential homes. They make modular constructions using 3D printers, using recycled plastic bottles as the main building material. Approximately 100,000 bottles are needed to build a single studio dwelling, which costs about $40,000. Compared to typical construction methods, which could cost roughly $150,000 for a similar home, this is much less expensive. In addition, compared to traditional construction processes, this technology allows homes to be erected 70% faster and at a 30% lower cost. It only takes 3 days to complete the building procedure. This invention helps reduce plastic waste, which benefits the environment, while also lowering construction costs by using recycled plastic. An artificial intelligence-powered bricklaying robot has been created by the Monumental team. The business is doing well. After all, not everyone gets a $25 million investment. Furthermore, there is currently a serious bricklayer shortage in 57% of European nations. In this situation, construction companies will undoubtedly value a robot that is 50 to 60% faster than a person and operates with exceptional precision. It never gets weary, never asks for a raise, never takes a smoking break, and never makes mistakes. Monumental also includes a second robot in the package that is in charge of transporting bricks. These mechanical workers even took part in social housing projects and successfully finished a 15-meter office warehouse facade during testing. In summary, human labor is already being successfully replaced by this extremely promising construction technology. Indian engineers are also skilled at making an impression. Masonry is a high-tech assistance robot by Craftsmech Labs that can automate the block-laying procedure on building projects. With its all-wheel drive and rechargeable battery power, this multi-purpose robotic system is made especially to work in construction settings. The masonry robot's capacity to lay blocks up to 61 centimeters long is one of its primary characteristics. The robot is easily adaptable to various block shapes and sizes. In addition to placing blocks, the robot's high degree of agility allows it to swiftly complete other activities like cladding, plastering, painting, tile installation, electrical work, and interior work. This lowers the amount of time needed for construction projects and greatly boosts production. Group just unveiled Periskin, a brand new coating system. Formwork frames and other metal components are protected by this multi-layer technology. Periskin offers dependable and durable defense against damaging environmental elements like dampness, chemicals, and mechanical wear. By creating a robust barrier on the metal surface, the coating stops corrosion and increases the longevity of buildings. The way this technology is applied is what makes it special. The Periskin coating is applied at room temperature, 20 degrees Celsius, and doesn't require electricity, in contrast to more conventional techniques like galvanization. By using just 5% of the energy required for galvanization, this drastically lowers energy usage. The head of the machine covers up to 22 square meters at once by vibrating, distributing concrete, and removing extra material in a single pass. Efficiency and maneuverability are improved by a redesigned telescopic boom and 4 motorized wheels with on-the-spot rotating capability. 4 batteries supply the machine's power, enabling it to process up to 4,500 square meters of concrete on a single charge and run for up to 11 hours. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing tech content. And turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest innovations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.